The Southwire 16020N 3-in-1 multimeter tool is built for the electrician on the go. Its compact size is perfect for a crowded tool bag. And with a built-in LED work light and non-contact AC voltage detector, it's like having 3 tools in one. The Built Tough design includes a rugged double-molded housing, a Category 4 safety rating, and a fuse that automatically resets itself. With 10 metering functions and an easy-to-read backlit display, the 16020 has what it takes to get the job done. Southwire. Built for durability. Built for reliability. Built for work.